called Guardian because I had an issue with moss on the roof. They came out and did a very nice job of clearing the roof off and cleaning it up. They were here when they said they were going to be here, and they lasted about what they said they would take to do the job. One nice thing about it is that not only did they do a good job on the roof, they did a very good job cleaning up after. Sometimes technicians don't do the latter part, cleaning up after. What happened though is that in December I called again because I had another moss issue, and without hesitation I was told they would take care of it. I got a call that says it's on the schedule and they would be out. On the 2nd of January 2nd, they came out, they did the job again. Again, it was done timely and it done very neat and clean, and a very nice job of cleanup. The issue was there any discussion about whether they would do it or not? No, they did it because that was part of the warranty and it was in warranty time, and they said there would be no issue, and there was not. We were very, very pleased with it. We would encourage other people to use Guardian, our friends, neighbors, and we will point that out to them if they ever ask us about our use or the plans to their future.